Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Surya Kusuma. I come from A3 English Education Department 2016 from IKIP Siliwangi, Bandung. So I make this video only for submitting my own assignment about discourse analysis lecture. Maybe you have learned about discourse analysis on how we analyze about speech or maybe a text, which means that there will be a certain of knowledge that you got about discourse analysis in a certain of or about a written text. So just doing watch in a several minutes for these things, and I would like to give you theme for this topic, that is adjacency pair. Maybe some of you know about adjacency pairs which means, is it a kind of a conversation? Is it a kind of other people respond our utterance? Or maybe it will be other people answers about what I'm gonna say before in a certain of conversation. So let's see about 3 theories of adjacency pairs itself to make sure that you are true to answer these things. There are 3 theories that we as a learner should be known, so that we do understand clearly about the definition of adjacency pairs. First of all,
adjacency pairs is a unit of conversation analysis that composed by 2 speakers that make a conversation, which is first speaker will provide a question and second speaker will respond it, stated by Yule in 1996.
Second of all, as noted in Midgley et al. 2006, they stated in order to establish that 2 dialogues of utterances are related as an adjacency pair, it is important to determine whether the dialogue of acts of the first utterance of the pair is associated with a significantly higher probability of the second utterance occurs. Third of all, according to Schegloff and Sacks in 1973, they stated pairs of utterances such as greeting with greeting and apology with acceptance are called adjacency pairs. Short, adjacency pairs is utterance in pairs which being used by locutor and interlocutor for making a conversation. Brothers and sisters, we are going to having analyze on how the conversation can be structured so that interlocutor and maybe locutor will be respond each other about their utterance itself. The first thing that locutor should be known, it's subconscious. They stated, for example, greeting to interlocutors, and the second speaker will respond it with greeting also. What do I mean by that? The first speaker will use utterance functions, which means, for example, such as greeting, congratulations, apology, inform, leave taking. And also the second speaker will express with expected response, for example, greeting, thanks, acceptance, acknowledge, or maybe leave taking. So there will be 5 categories on utterance function and also 5 categories of expected response. I'm going to tell you about the example of the adjacency pairs itself. First, greeting with greeting. Let's check it out. Hey buddy, what's up? Hey, nothing much. Second of all, congratulations and thanks. Let's check it out. Be the first to congratulate you on your position, that your position is being promoted as a secretary. Oh, you know me so well, so thank you for saying. Third of all, apology with acceptance. In this video, I'm gonna show you in a certain of condition, which is a person itself just realized that there is a sign of no smoking, but he still and he apologizes on somebody that remind him. Let's check it out. Sorry sir, maybe you can check the sign over here. Yes. So sorry for this. I thought this area will be for smokers. Okay.